Kia tamariki. Welcome back to Kiwi Kids in the Kitchen. We're here with another Back to Basics episode for you. These episodes are all about mastering the skills and elements of baking so you can be an expert in your kitchen. And today we're gonna nail American buttercream. Let's go! Jelly! I love burgers. It's stressful eating now. Whoa! Look at that! We made that. I love food. I just love cheese. Before we get started, go and horoya or ringa, wash your hands, and we're ready to go. We all know buttercream is the best part of any cupcake or cake, so it is super important that you know how to make a really good one. And we're going for a classic American buttercream today, so that's just your regular icing, sugar and butter combo. This is such a super easy recipe to make, and it's really good for coloring. So if you want to make a really colorful cake, American buttercream is the way to go. Now the first thing we need is butter. So you want your butter to be at room temperature or softened. So you can push it down and it's kind of like soft and squishy, and that makes it really easy to whip it up nicely. So I'm gonna put that straight in my bowl. Perfect. Now I'm using Kenny to help me out today. Say hi, Kenny. But if you don't have a stand mixer, absolutely no worries. You could use electric beaters or just a wooden spoon and some good old-fashioned muscle. Now, the key to getting good buttercream is whipping it for ages. We want our butter to go from the lovely Corfire yellow to a really nice light white. And that just means we need to whip it and whip it and whip it and whip it, or beat it. So let's pop this in here. And I've got my paddle attachment here. Woo. And I'm gonna start it on a low speed and then bring it up to a nice fast pace until it's really nice and light and fluffy. Kenny, you've done such a good job. Saved my muscles. Kenny's been going for about 10 minutes and you will see that my butter is much lighter in color. It's such a super light Corfire, almost white color. So I'm just gonna give it a little scrape around the outside of the bowl. And now it's time to get some icing sugar in. So we need 450 grams of icing sugar. I'm gonna weigh it all straight in the bowl. So pop your bowl on your scales, turn them on, they'll go to 0, and you can pop your icing sugar straight in. Brilliant. Then I am just gonna give it a little mix before I put it back in Kenny, because if I turn it on, it's just gonna explode into a big puff of smoke. So I'm just gonna kind of really gently just fold it in a little bit. Right, that'll do. Then I've got half a teaspoon of vanilla essence that's gonna go in. And we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of whole milk. Now we're gonna start with 1 tablespoon. We might add a little more as we go, but always start with less because you can always add more, but you can't take it out. Right, Kenny, you're back on. Now make sure you start slowly and then build up as it starts to incorporate. If you whack this on high, it is going to explode everywhere. Trust me, I know. Go Kenny, it's a birthday. Go Kenny, it's a birthday. This looks absolutely perfect. I'll just give that a wee scrape off. It is light and fluffy, and you can just see it's silky, and we've gone from core pie to a beautiful mild white. It's perfect, and time for a taste test. Yum! Buttercream really is the best part. And this is ready to use now. You can color it or use it to ice your cakes or your cupcakes, or if you're not ready to use it yet, pop it in an airtight container and you can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Just make sure you bring it to room temperature and whip it up again before you use it. And that is the end of American Buttercream. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're releasing a new video every single Sunday at 9 a.m. Have a great rest of your day. Ka kite! What? Is there something on my face?